I chose chapter 3, which is the core elements of social cognition, and I'm going to talk about the why, the what, and the how of social cognition. And first, we're going to start over here with the why. There are 3 motives behind thinking. The first one is the need to be accurate. Second one is reach closure quickly, and the third one, confirm what one already prefers to believe. The need to be accurate is a desire to achieve an accurate understanding, which is activated when being inaccurate could result in undesired outcomes. And then reach closure quickly is a desire for a simple, quick, and clear-cut understanding, as opposed to confusion and ambiguity, which is activated when thinking is effortful or unpleasant. And then confirm what one already prefers to believe is a desire to understand something in a way that fits with previously held beliefs and values. It's activated when prior beliefs and values are brought to mind, central to one's sense of meaning in life or personal worth, or threatened by contradictory information. The next part we're going to talk about is the what. Schemas as the cognitive building blocks of knowledge. The mind classifies a stimulus into a category and then accesses a schema. Schemas allow people to go beyond the information given, and they can make inferences, judgments, and decisions about a given stimulus. And then there's 4 things we're going to talk about a schema. So a source is schemas come from multiple sources and are heavily influenced by culture and also shaped by the need for closure. The second one is accessibility and priming. Highly accessible in color, thinking, and behavior. Priming occurs when something in the environment activates a schema. The third one is confirmation bias. People interpret information in a way that confirms the prior schema that they have. And metaphor, people use a metaphor to understand abstract concepts in terms of another idea that is more concrete and easier to grasp. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the how of social cognition. And there are 2 ways to think of the social world. One's the cognitive system, and then the experimental system. The cognitive system is conscious, rational, and controlled, and experimental is unconscious, intuitive, and automatic. These 2 ways of thinking influence attitudes and behaviors. The cognitive system requires awareness, motivation, and ability. If these are not met, then the cognitive system is interrupted, but the experimental system is relatively unimpeded. And then the unconscious can be smart. It does smart things like consolidating memories and also guiding decisions and making. And then I chose these 3 visuals because they all just kind of show the way that the people are using their cognition and working together with other people, and I guess socializing with other people. So, yeah.